for Bravo Juliet Whiskey approach.
Go ahead, sir. Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Alpha Juliet Whiskey, maintain 2000 feet and set course to Lemon. Report established open radio 2900 of India Alpha V1.
For the climb, maintain 2000 feet and set course to 11. Call established radio 2900 of India Alpha V1.
And stand by for squawk, Juliet Whiskey.
Standing by for squawk, Juliet Whiskey. Modern Alpha Juliet Whiskey is end of downwind, giving second right hand out, call you joining in office.
Alpha Juliet Whiskey for call 0062.
Squawk 0062, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Not received. That's that.
Flight 10 was received by Mr. Humayun in pre-flight field exit.
Not available with area. Check up in pre-flight. Please check up.
Roger, sir. Checking and kindly talk calmly next time. Alpha Juliet Extra.
Don't argue. Please don't argue.
Copy. Juliet Extra is approaching Malta Park. I'm only making one orbit over at Malta Park. Copy. Bravo Juliet Extra.
Alpha Juliet Extra, go ahead.
Golden Circuit requesting to proceed to training area Bravo and find Alpha Juliet Extra.
and 2000 feet, proceed to training area Bravo.
Squawk 3520, climb 2000, proceed to area Bravo, Alpha Juliet Extra. Taxi hold 135 via Eco Delta. Alpha Juliet Extra wind count and with 365 cleared for takeoff. 365 cleared for takeoff, Alpha Juliet Extra. Juliet Extra base 365. Alpha Juliet Extra wind red light and variable runway 36 right, caution for wakes, clear to land. Wind caution copy 365 clear land, Alpha Juliet Extra. Level 55, volume maintaining Alpha Juliet Extra. Road Alpha Juliet Extra.
Roger, can maintain 2000 and fly heading 270 now.
We are maintaining 2000 now and flying heading for 270 Alpha Juliet Extra.
भाई इतने बुरे हालात में तो उड़े क्यों?
सर मैंने ऑफिस से पता किया था, कहते जी क्लियर है, हमने कहा ठीक है चलते हैं।
मैं तो आपको जिस दिन बताए बारिश होनी है उस दिन कभी नहीं होती।
तो Alpha Juliet Extra request to send.
Alpha Juliet Extra 500 report maintaining.
He said 2500, 1004 confirm and call maintaining Alpha Juliet Extra.
1003.
Thank you sir, 1003 Alpha Juliet Extra.